All right, let's talk about what is a real estate contingency. So, a contingency just refers to a clause in the real estate deal, simplifying that a certain action or requirement must be met before the real estate finalizes the transfer of the title. So, in real estate contingencies, if you really think about it, you're looking at things that could be legally binding, right? So, for instance, the seller, right, there may be a contingency where the seller, before the sale of the house, has to fix a leaky pipe, right? So they got to fix that, and everybody has to sign off, the buyers and the sellers. Most common contingencies include appraisal, right? So the house has to appraise out by the bank. Inspection contingencies, right? You might have a contingency in there that you don't want to fix over $10,000 worth of things that might be wrong with the house, right? So you may have a contingency like that. And you may also have a sale contingency, meaning like you as a buyer have to sell your place before you buy, or the seller may have to find suitable housing. So there's all kinds of contingencies in real estate. Sometimes they're part of the purchase and sale. Sometimes there are extra contracts that you have to fill out and side agreements that you have to fill out in order for the deal to get done. If you're looking to buy real estate, don't worry when you hear the word contingencies. It just means certain things have to be met before the deal actually gets closed.